Hi, boys and girls! Today we have a new story in our My Book, Picture Day Perfection. We have a few vocabulary words to go over before we read the story. This will help you to understand the story a little bit better. Now remember, it's important to grow our own personal vocabulary, words that we understand. It will make us better readers. It will make comprehension easier. And you know what? A strong, wide vocabulary also makes you a really good writer because you can use those new words in your stories or anything else that you want to write, a letter. Okay, let's go over our first word, planned. If you planned, you decided ahead of time how you would do something. We planned our vacation next summer. Planned. Now, our next word is perfect. When something is perfect, it is the best that it can be. I use a ruler to make my straight lines as perfect as possible. Our next word is hamper. Some of you may have these in your house. Some of them could be made out of wicker, or some of them could be made out of plastic. A hamper is a basket used to hold dirty laundry. At my house, we call it the laundry hamper. I put my dirty towels in the hamper. Our next word, disaster. A disaster is an event that goes horribly wrong. A tornado is a natural disaster. Our next word is scowl. Ooh, I like this word. I've used this word in my writing before because a scowl is an angry frown. When I make a scowl, I am angry. Scowl. Our next word is mood. Your mood is the way you are feeling. A smile shows I'm in a good mood. Can you think of other moods, boys and girls? You could have a sad mood. You could have a grumpy mood. You could have a silly mood. If you are having a mood, that's the way you're feeling at that time. Our next word is queasy. Oh, this is a fun word. Queasy, very descriptive. If you are queasy, your stomach hurts and you feel sick. I used it in the sentence, bad smells make me queasy. You know what else makes me queasy, boys and girls? Roller coaster rides. Roller coaster rides make my stomach all icky, and when I get off of them, ooh, my stomach feels queasy. Our last word is fiddled. Fiddled. If you fiddled with something, you kept touching it or playing with it. I fiddled with my hair until I got it just right. I had a lot of friends last year that liked to fiddle with their pencils. They would arrange them in their pencil boxes according to color or size, and they would just fiddle and fiddle and fiddle. So fiddled is something that you keep touching and playing with. All right, now that we have our vocabulary words that we've gone over, it's time to read Picture Day Perfection. So you're going to stop this video and you're going to click on the next one for us to read our story. Now, get your My Books out. All right,